Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we break down the fundamentals of hair care. So you clicked on this video because it's a wash day, guys, and I'm so excited because this is my very first wash day after my relaxer. Now if you're anything like me, you know how happy it makes you feel to wash your hair after a relaxer. Let's be honest, after a relaxer, your hair just feels limp. It just lays there like it has no body. It's boring. It's flat and it's straight and it's downright boring. So washing your hair after a relaxer is the most pleasurable and satisfying thing for my hair. Alright, so today I did a little bit of a shopping. So these are the products that I'll be using in today's video. I'll be using the olive oil strengthen and nourish replenishing conditioner. That's the protein that I'll be using. For shampoo, I'll be trying out a new shampoo. That's the Argan oil from Morocco, Creme of Nature Argan oil from Morocco, sulfate free moisture and shine shampoo. And then for my moisturizing deep conditioner, I'll be using the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So that is the plan today, guys, and of course I'll be air drying. So it's late in the evening. I wouldn't say it's too late. It's about 5 minutes to 6 right now. So I normally wash my hair Friday evenings. I sleep with my deep conditioner overnight. I wake up, I steam, and then I rinse and I let my hair air dry for the whole of Saturday. All right, so that's pretty much the process. Let me just take on my hair and just show you how it looks. It's been 10 days since I got a relaxer, and the only thing that I've been doing, to be honest, is just adding oil. So I've been adding my coconut oil to my hair every single day. You know, at this point my hair just feels dry. It really does. So yeah, I'm happy to get some texture back in my hair from washing it. So this is it, guys. This is my hair 10 days post relaxer. Still pretty fresh. So now I'm just about to jump into the shower and get my wash day started. So I'll see you guys in some future clips. Bye. Alright guys, so you know what it's like when you're waiting for the water to warm up. You gotta do that warm up dance. Yeah, that was it. Before I apply shampoo to my hair, I tend to allow the water to just saturate my hair first. That sort of helps the product to slide around my hair more easily. So this is the first wash, and like most persons, we wash our hair twice. And I'm just showing you the consistency of this. This is really creamy. I don't think I've ever tried such a creamy shampoo, but it's sulfate free, and you realize that it's sulfate free because it's literally giving you no suds, guys. It's so weird. I'm so accustomed to suds in my hair, but at the same time this is the first wash, so with all that oil buildup in my hair, I'm not expecting much suds. And here we are at the second wash, and you're seeing a little bit more action with the suds, right? So I'm really liking that. So I'm just working the product into my scalp just to remove some of that buildup, not some, to remove all of that buildup for the 10 days. Don't be like me. Don't shower with makeup on your face, yeah? Utilize a wipe and remove the makeup before. But you can see that I got a little bit of my ends just now. With all that product on my hair, I just didn't want to take any chances of having oil remaining on my hair, so I made sure to get my ends. And is it only me? But isn't rinsing out your hair just so relaxing? I think it is. So I'm just wringing my hair dry, and now I'm applying my conditioner. I remember someone was in the comments asking me why it is that I apply a conditioner and still a deep conditioner. The reason being is because I detangle in the shower. So because I detangle in the shower, I want a product to be on my hair before I detangle, and the texture of my hair as well, it easily tangles, and so any additional detangling agents that I can add to my hair to help with the process, I'm going to do it. So I'm just working that product really good into my hair. I'm going to pen it away and then take a shower, guys. It's been a long day. Oh, my face is bare. It's so nice to strip your face of all that makeup, isn't it? Okay guys, so right now I'm getting ready to detangle, and this is I would say this is the tedious part of the wash day, but because I'm so fresh with my relaxer, this was actually a breeze. What I normally do is just part my hair into two, and I take it half by half. And for me, detangling my hair under running water makes the greatest difference, because when the water runs on your hair, what it does is that it allows the tangles to run down the strand, so it makes it so much easier for you to detangle. As you can see, I was t-shirt drying for a while, maybe for about 10 minutes, if so long, just to get out some moisture out of my hair before I go in with my deep conditioner. And as usual, you know, we part our hair into sections to deep condition, and here I'm just parting my hair into half, and then parting each half into another half. And that's a deep conditioner. I mixed in some oils as well, and I'm just going to apply that to that section. Now, typically I would go in and section that section. So I would take it in smaller sections to ensure that the product gets all throughout my hair. But I didn't do this time around simply because I'm freshly relaxed. So I think the product travels easier through my hair when I'm freshly relaxed, as opposed to when I have some new growth and I really need to pay some attention to it. So this worked for now, and this might probably work for the next 3 to 4 weeks until that new growth starts to come in. So now I'm just gonna twist that away. And then I'll be right back. So I'm all done. So I pinned that away, put on my shower cap, put on my bonnet, girl, and homegirl, I'm going to sleep. That's the amount of hair that I've actually lost so far in the process. Yeah, so it's morning and I'm tired. But I have to steam my hair, right? Yes, that's part of the process, the steaming. So I do that for at least 15 minutes. Hey guys, so I've finished steaming my hair and I've washed out my deep conditioner, and my hair feels so soft. And that's why I stick with the products that I'm accustomed to, because they keep giving me consistent results. So right now I'm getting ready to air dry my hair. I've had this t-shirt on my hair for the last maybe about 15-20 minutes, and I've just been walking about the house, allowing as much moisture or as much water from my hair to be absorbed by the shirt. So now I'm getting ready to air dry, and I'm stuck, guys. I'm really stuck because I want to try out 2 new leave-ins that I have here. So one being the As I Am leave-in conditioner, that's this one, and I also have the Manuka honey and Mafura oil, the Shea Moisture. This is pretty much the leave-in conditioner to the deep conditioner that I just used. So I've had these, I think I've tried this once, but I can't remember if it made my hair feel wow, you know, but I've never tried this one, and I'm stuck between two minds as to which one I should try today. Now, you know that I normally use my Cantu leave-in cream, and I've been using the Argan oil one for some time, but I want to switch it up. I want to see how these products react, or how my hair reacts to these products, and I don't know how to choose. Okay, I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna try this simply because I just use the deep conditioner, so it's always recommended that you utilize products within the same line, right? So I'm gonna try this, and right about now I'm just getting ready to section my hair into 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the first section on camera, and then I'll come back and show you the results as I progress throughout the day. So if you want to see a detailed video of how I air dry my hair along with the results, then you can just click on the card above. But right now I'm just going to do this section here at the back. As I said, I'm going to apply this leave-in. I hope it's good, guys. Oh, this is thick, guys. What the heck? This is really thick. I can barely get it down. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this much. But as I was saying, I think the best time to try out new products is around the first 4 weeks after your hair is relaxed, because you don't have the new growth to contend with. Because the thing is, by the time the new growth starts to set in, you're dealing with 2 different textures, and the new products that you try may possibly work well with the straight texture of your hair or the relaxed bit of your hair, and then it may not work so well for the natural bit. So I like to try out new products when my hair is pretty much all one texture, or in one state rather. So I just applied this, and it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel bad at all. I'm just gonna comb through. Just gonna comb through a little bit, just to make sure that it's gone through nicely. And then I'm going to apply this oil. I'm just applying a drop, because I don't want it to be too heavy, because at the end of the day I'm going to come back to apply my moisturizer, so I don't want to add too much oil at this point. And I'm not using my coconut oil today, guys. No. I don't know, I want my hair to feel a kind of way today, and I don't feel like the coconut oil is going to give it that kind of feel that I'm looking for. So yeah, so that's it. I'm going to comb through, and I would say the only thing that differs from my air drying routine video that I have up is that I've started incorporating this brush. And this brush is really just to get my hair smoother. That's all it is. So I just take the length of my hair and I run the brush over it to give it a smooth finish. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this to the other 3 sections of my hair, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my hair is pretty much air dried. I'm just about to add some moisturizer to it, and that's it. My hair will be done and my wash day would be complete. So today I'm trying out a new moisturizer. Seems like I'm being very experimentative with my products on this wash day, but today I'm trying out the Miel Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. That's this product right here, and I'm just trying it out just to see how it works on my hair. This is how this looks. Smells like something that I'm accustomed to. Smells like something familiar. So I'm just moisturizing my hair, and instead of sealing with some oil, I'm going to be sealing with my serum. So my John Frieda serum, because of the style that I want to rock for the week. but adding on a serum to air dry the hair for me makes the strands a little smoother and makes the hair feel a little silkier. So that's why I do it. I'm just gonna do this to all sections of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final results. All right. Okay guys, so that's it. This is my wash day routine after my first relaxer. I think my hair turned out very well, and right now I'm just about to tuck it away and do some styling. All right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Of course, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to stop over on DenaJ's channel, and I will see you next week Sunday for another upload. All right, take care. Bye.